What's up, guys? So why am I showing you Google Maps if I'm talking about the mistakes, the fields that programmers should learn but they don't? I was just going around this app and I just realized that there is a lot of cool stuff I've never actually used. So if you click here, you can actually add different layers. Like you can explore things that are close by. You can see like the landmarks of where you live. You can have street view. You can have layers, so you can have like terrain. You can look at the traffic. So why am I saying that? What I'm saying, the reason why I'm saying that is that I've used this app for years and it still bugs me because I didn't know I could do all of those things. And also when I was looking, so I always mix it up, like I never know if I should put the destination or the origin. So I just realized that the Google Apps is kind of clunky. It's kind of like hard to use. And my girlfriend is right now doing a user experience bootcamp. And I started like educating myself on the topic. And I realized that we as programmers, we often ignore the aspect of usability. We just want to think about how to make complex stuff that will revolutionize the world. But the reality is people won't use what you build if it's not easy to use. And also if it's not easy on the eyes, if it doesn't look nice, if it's not something that feels good. And I think that's one of the number one reasons why Apple is the largest company as of this video by market cap, because Steve Jobs focused a lot on user experience. He focused a lot on making products that feel great. And I recommend you guys reading two books. They are not technical and they're actually very easy and pleasurable to read. One of them is this book called The Design of Everyday Things, which is awesome. So the great thing about that is he will give tons of examples of day-to-day products that were not very well designed. And what I find great about this book and the following one that I'll show you guys is that you don't need to memorize the concepts, but it really opens up a new mindset. It opens up a mindset of design, of like, okay, should I do this? Is this gonna be easy for the user? So you kind of create empathy just by reading about those topics. And another book that I really recommend is one called Don't Make Me Think. Don't Make Me Think. They're all both, especially this one is a really short read. And it gives a lot of examples of good practice in user experience. So you don't need to go any deeper than that. But I just feel like I wish I had known about these books before. And I had studied a little bit more about UI user experience, just because I think it's neglected. And you can see it's neglected even by a company like Google. So imagine your local startup, what they are not doing. So I really recommend those books. They're really fun to read, and I think they will make you just more effective coders, entrepreneurs. You're gonna be able to think more about the client, which is ultimately who pays your salary, and just be more effective in general. So I just wanted to share with you guys those two book recommendations. Okay, so see you in the next video.